Hi, Andrew here from Word of Mouth Technology. We're going to show you quickly how you can connect personal listening systems as well as computers and other audio sources to the Front Row Juno system. First of all, if you are in a classroom where there is a hearing impaired student, they may have one of their own personal FM transmitters. Now normally this is worn by the teacher and it transmits your voice directly to the student's hearing aids. If you're using a sound field system in the room, one option is to patch the two together. What that means is you can wear the one microphone for the sound field system, and whatever comes through that system is also sent directly to the student's hearing aids. The benefit of that is if you are using a system with two microphones, the students will be able to hear not only what you say, but what the students say in the class. It's also a great way for knowing that the system's actually working, because when we use an FM system by itself, sometimes we can find that the only person who knows whether it's working or not is the student with a hearing loss. So the first step is to grab the audio cable, which has two of the same connections on both ends. It's called a 3.5mm plug. It might be commonly known as a headphone jack. Now on the side of the Juno tower, it connects to the connection marked audio out, and the other end of the cable connects to the audio input on the bottom of the student's personal transmitter. So we have the microphone being used for the Juno system, my voice coming through the speaker, and then a cable connecting the output of the Juno to the input of the student's FM transmitter. This unit needs to be turned on, and you can place it on the hook, which is on the side of the speaker, or a table that's nearby. It's important to remember to leave the lapel mic untangled, because this acts as the antenna and ensures that the student will get a nice clear signal. One other point to make sure you do check is that on the side where the audio out connection is, there's a volume level control. Now typically you want this position between about 6 or 7, and if we've set the system up for you at the school, our technicians will have already set this to the situation where it should be set. The next step is just to show you how to connect an audio source to the Juno tower. So if you have a laptop that plays music, or you even wanted to play music from an iPhone, you can actually connect that through to the Juno system. This is an audio cable. It connects on the side of the unit to the inputs where we can see audio 1, 2 and 3. This cable has a red and a white plug, and I'm going to put it in input 1. I put the white plug into the white socket and the red into the red socket. The other end, which looks like a standard headphone plug, can be plugged into my iPhone or into the same connection that's on your computer. That's usually looked at, you'll see the headphone jack. So I can plug into my iPhone right now, and if we just unlock the phone and go straight to some music, music's coming through there now, and by pressing the music symbol on the bottom of the touch screen, I can choose to increase the volume. So that's how you connect a personal FM system as well as another audio source to your Juno tower. And remember, you can use the microphone all the time, and the other sources can be used at the same time as well. If you've got any questions, call us on the number on the side of the unit or visit our website at wom.com.au. Thanks for listening.